The Tesla Model 3 is one of the world's most popular electric vehicles, combining sleek design, strong performance, and everyday usability. But what does the 2025 version bring to the table? In this video, we'll take a closer look at everything you need to know before considering one. Like most electric vehicles, the Model 3 delivers instant power. Acceleration is smooth, silent, and seriously quick. Thanks to its low center of gravity, it feels sharp and planted in corners. The performance trim is the real thrill seeker here, with dual motors producing 510 horsepower, upgraded brakes, and a sportier wheel setup. Even the base long-range model impresses, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, while higher trims are even faster. Range remains one of Tesla's strongest selling points. The rear-wheel drive long range leads with 363 miles, while the dual-motor version offers 346 miles. Charging is flexible too. Home outlets, Tesla's home wall connector, public direct current stations, and of course, the brand's vast supercharger network. Inside, the Model 3 keeps things simple and futuristic. Nearly all controls run through the central touchscreen, even mirror adjustments and turn signals. The front seats are supportive, but the rear seats feel cramped on longer trips. Storage space is a plus, with generous bins and a roomy trunk. Pricing for the 2025 Model 3 starts at $44,000, with the performance topping out at $56,000. For most buyers, the long-range version strikes the best balance between speed, range, and value. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 blends fast acceleration, strong range, and futuristic tech in a package that's still setting the standard for electric sedans. Whether you're after efficiency or performance, there's a Model 3 for you. If you enjoyed this Tesla Model 3 teardown, I think you'll also like my other review, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. Click on the video on your screen now.